this segment of Ask My Lawyer, I'm going to answer some citizenship questions. This question came from Arthur from New York. And Arthur is asking, I had a green card in the past 6 years, but I've been spending a lot of time abroad. I've been traveling in and out, and I cannot prove my residency in the US for the past 5 years. How would you recommend about applying for citizenship? Would you recommend about applying for citizenship? Thank you for the question, Arthur. Again, this is a question that comes out often for people that hold green cards, but they don't spend enough time in the US because of work or for personal reasons. Recently, the immigration has been quite strict about enforcing physical presence in the US and residency requirement for citizenship. They've been asking for documents to show employment, bank records, residency, taxes. If you don't have, or you're able to prove that you have these documents, if you've been traveling often, there are records at the port of entry that you've been leaving, coming back and forth, I would not recommend to file for citizenship until you come to the US, establish yourself living in the US, start maybe getting a job, or start paying bills and paying your taxes, and traveling less frequently, because they can determine the amount of time that you travel, come back and forth, and if you don't have any documents to prove that your residence is in the US, it will be very difficult, if not impossible, to file for your citizenship, and you may be risking your green card. If you spend time abroad, I do recommend for you to file for a re-entry permit. They will preserve your green card, and you're not going to have to worry about losing it. And when you do come back to the US, finally to reside, that is a good time to file for your citizenship. Once again, thank you for your question. And anybody that has questions about different immigration issues, feel free to email us, and we'll consider showing your case at our Ask My Lawyer segment. Thank you once again, and have a great day.